Hi guys, welcome back to Targets Trading. Today in this video we will discuss regarding the best indicators for trading. These are the best indicators according to us which we use every day to trade. Okay, so those are, we will explain it with the live examples guys. Okay, firstly we will choose a stock. I have already chose a stock and kept for this particular video of today's market. Okay, we traded on Tata Motors today. So now we'll discuss regarding the indicators. Firstly guys, we'll go and in the search bar we will choose the super trend indicator. So for the settings, it is the default settings. You need not change any settings on this particular indicator. You will notice a green and a red line, which in green indicates the positive movement and the red color trend, red color indicates the negative movement of that particular stock. Okay, so as you can see, you can already see the trend on this particular stock. So as you can see, the green line indicates the upward movement and the red color indicates the downward movement. As you can see already, you can easily observe the trends of the stock, which is almost 70% accurate. By using this stock, you can decide the movement of the stock. 70% accuracy will be there. Almost you might have 75, 60, 80, something like this, but it is generally 70% accurate. So next we will use RSI. So this is one of the major indicator, and you need not change any settings on this. We also use the default settings on this indicator as well. Okay, so as you can see, you can see the overbought and oversold zones on this particular stock. Okay, so where the zero, see, you can see here plus 80, that indicates the overbought zone, and here minus 20 indicates the oversold zone. So in between it is called as neutral zones. Okay, so we usually take any moments above 60 and below 40. So in between these two values we will not trade, because we consider that as a neutral market. Okay, so thirdly guys, we use MACD. Okay, in this also we will not change any settings, we will use as is. And for in this, the convergence matters guys. So the convergence of a black line and a red line, which indicates a positive and a negative moment, and this zero line indicates the trend of that particular stock. Okay, so if it is above the zero line, it is considered positive market, and below this zero line it is considered as negative market. Okay, so there will be a reversal in the market as well, the particular stock. Okay. Okay guys, so for all these indicators we need to use a candlestick chart with 5 minutes time intervals. Okay, so as you can see here guys, I have already set the time frame for 5 minutes. This is in this 5 minutes chart only it works best. Okay, if you keep 1 minute, there will be a lot of fluctuation on the stocks. As you can see here already, I will put it on 1 minute and will show you guys with an example. Okay, error fetching data. I'm sorry for this guys, I'll just pause the video and reload it again. Yes, so as you can see here, I've reloaded it. Yes, so you can see here clearly guys, because you can see the lot of noise in, you can see lot of confusion in this 1 minute chart. as you can see already here, there will be within 5 minutes or 10-20 minutes the trend changes. So the best thing which we can do on trading is reduce these noises by increasing the time frame, which is 5 minutes, which we consider as the best in the market. See, as you can see here, we can see the trend change for this particular day. Today there were two trends, that is a positive trend and a negative trend. Okay, so this is the three indicators which we use, and we think these are the best indicators as far as, because these are the best indicators which work for sure, guys, without any doubts. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to Targets Trading. Have a nice day, guys. Thank you for watching this video.